Oh, come with me to the rolling sea where the weather's calm and still. Go NHS! We're going in after with the adventure of Portlandville. It's a strange place, this. I like it. But it's strange.
Is it?
It's like, it could be amazing, but it's just full of like regular normal people. I'm going to attach your bike to that crane there and catapult you over the edge.
Can you just swing left here so that we can get the normal photograph?
I was going to drone it.
Were you?
Yeah.
No, you can't do that.
Why?
Someone's got our spot.
Hey, this is our spot.
Oh, I see what you're getting lined up for a drone shot. But we need to eat.
Well, I know, but I was going to do this on the way back, but since that you insisted, I'm having a drink anyway, so I don't care. I don't care though.
Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
I haven't done my coat up, but I haven't put gloves on.
I can't wait to get the sausages going.
Oh, you and your sausages.
I'll probably be disappointed, but I'm just starving. No, I won't be disappointed, it'll be nice.
Well, even if you just had a sausage, it would be nice, wouldn't it?
It's a little pack of Richmond sausages, a portion of rice, got some water.
You get some fuel on the way back.
Yeah.
Has that always been there?
Yeah.
A little castle here. Here we have the castle of Portland. There's yours.
Always got to lower the tone. There's yours, look. There's Ray Fakadakis' chip shop.
Ray Fakadakis.
You know what you need? A bag of chips. With croutons. Just his name gets me. Ray Fakadakis.
It doesn't seem that old, that stuff, does it? But it's really old.
Well, it is. Now there isn't any comedy on the telly. Can't have jokes anymore. There you have it, Portlandville.
Approaching Portlandville.
Mission objective is in sight.
Well, I didn't realise there was actually 3 lighthouses up here. Busier than I anticipated, although not too busy. I wonder what sort of military menagerie they do over there.
You wanted to go in there.
Or there. I fancy going around the island. The toilets are open as well. You need a WAS.
What are you doing? You always got to go in the wrong way, you. You are naughty.
Should have reversed him.
I know, I don't know why you did that. But hey, we're here.
Well, it makes it harder for people to steal them, doesn't it?
True.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. In the blackened eyes, make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes up.
On a barbecue.
That garage's shirt will go to Morrison's. You at the bus stop.
Oh, smart food.
Pool pickers! Alright, pool pickers! How you going, pool pickers?
You're a poo picker too.
That'll be in my video. Wow. Look at that then, eh?
Alright.
Church made out of breeze block.
How about that then?
If I lived round here and I was building a church, I would build it out of breeze block. Oh, my 10 miles has gone back up to 20 miles again. Oh, I love this bike. It breathes fuel. When you're low, it fuses the petroleum atoms together and it makes them and it increases your fuel. It's got regenerative fuel. It's clever, isn't it?
It's very clever. What's he doing?
It's a good test actually. whether or not I have a problem with my memory stick. Remember that bit, look?
You live and learn, Dave.
That's where Mr. Turner flew up there.
Easy mistake to make.
I know, but you forgot yourself that day, didn't you? I think you've been assimilated. You've been here too long. I think I might have a beer when I get in. A couple of paracetamols, a beer, and that'll be me done for the night. Oh,
Find that prison up there, very interesting.
the bird.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that on the boat. It's having a family day. It's coming to a close now, Paul.
What is?
The day.
Oh, the day. I thought you meant like having a family. Coming to an end, families, that's it.
They're ending.
That's it, yeah. As of from next week, no families will be allowed. Will the troll let us cross?
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.